Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Olabase. In case you are new, this is a place where you can find all the recipes. In today's video, just to share with you how I made my cough syrup. Yes, this cough syrup is simple and effective. You can make this drink in less than 2 minutes. It's ready. Yes, I'm using organic honey and lemon. That is only two ingredients that you need. Yeah, so I just cut the lemon and I squeeze it in the bowl, and then I add my honey, 2 spoons of honey into it. Yeah, so this recipe, I've been using this cough syrup for many years now. It worked well for me and my children. Yeah, so this cough syrup, it can be stored in the fridge for days, for weeks, or for months. Yeah, this recipe, it work like magic because of the honey. Honey has a healing property. Why lemon has vitamin C. So both together work well for cold or cough also. So yeah, so this is how I made my cough syrup. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment, subscribe, and share this video. Make your own cough syrup anytime and let me know. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.